Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of creating an account on Vodex. To get started, simply head over to Vodex.ai. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign Up button and give it a click. Here you'll need to provide your email address. Next, you'll be asked to set up a password. You'll then need to confirm your password to make sure there are no typos or mistakes. After that, tick the checkbox to agree to the terms and click on Sign Up. Once you complete this, a successful message will appear, and you'll receive a verification email in your inbox. Go ahead and check your email. Look for an email with the subject, "Please verify your email." Click on the Verify Email link. After verification, you should see another successful message. Now click on the Continue to Vodex button. Re-enter your email and password here. Click on the Login button. You'll be prompted to enter your account name and phone number. Feel free to choose any name for your account. Make sure the account name has no special characters or spaces. Then enter your phone number and click on Send Verification Code. You'll receive a 4-digit verification code shortly. Once you have the code, enter it in the designated field and click on Verify Account. Your account will now be verified successfully. You should see a message saying, "Account created successfully." A pop-up will appear asking for a project name. You can use your company name or something similar. If you prefer to skip this onboarding step, you can click the cross button on the right and then select Continue to Dashboard. And that's it. Your account is all set up. In the next video, we'll dive into creating your project and setting up your first agent. Thanks for watching.